My daily skincare routine for clear and glowing skin, morning plus night. Hey loves, today I'm finally sharing my full skincare routine, what I use morning and night to keep my skin clear, glowing, and hydrated. Whether you're struggling with breakouts, dullness, or dryness, this routine is simple and effective. Let's get started. For achieving this dewy, flawless look involves hydration, exfoliation, and protection. Step 1. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup, sunscreen, and any impurities on the skin. Follow up with a water-based cleanser to further clean your pores. Scrubbing too hard or using overly hot water can dry your skin. Instead, massage your skin in circular motions to help improve circulation and promote lymphatic drainage. This can help reduce puffiness and inflammation and leave your skin brighter and more radiant. Use lukewarm water to wash your face and cold water as a final rinse. Cold water tightens the appearance of your skin, so it can make you look more refreshed. Make sure to use a gentle cleanser that won't disrupt your skin's natural barrier. Avoid harsh, stripping cleansers, which will remove your skin's natural oils and leave it dry. Why it works. Double cleansing is a hallmark of K-beauty and sets the stage for a clean canvas, making it easier for your skin to absorb the products that follow. One of their popular options is the low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This product is designed to maintain the skin's natural pH balance while effectively cleansing it. Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser is popular among dermatologists for its mild and non-irritating formula. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. This soap-free and fragrance-free cleanser effectively removes impurities without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. Step 2. Toner essence. Hydration is key to achieving glass skin. It is best to use toner and essence together for this purpose. Toner and essence can help to improve skin texture and provide a smooth and supple complexion. Toner helps to prepare the skin to better absorb the essence, allowing it to deliver maximum hydration and nourishment to the skin. Essence brightens and evens out the skin tone, while also providing anti-aging benefits, depending on your own skin type and skin concerns. You may also like to incorporate face masks or serums into your routine. Serums are lightweight, highly concentrated formulations that deliver active ingredients deep into the skin. They can be used to address specific skin concerns, such as hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. Serums that contain ingredients such as vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide can help to brighten, plump, and hydrate the skin, which can contribute to the glass skin look. Face masks can also be beneficial in achieving glass skin by providing additional hydration and nourishment to the skin. Sheet masks, in particular, are popular in Korean skincare routines and are often infused with ingredients such as aloe vera, green tea, and snail mucin, which can help to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. For essence, look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, which can help to hydrate and brighten the skin. The Kozarek snail mucin formulation and the Innisfree green tea are both. Step 3. Moisturizer and sunscreen. Moisturizer and sunscreen. Moisturizing is a crucial step in achieving glass skin, as it helps to keep your skin hydrated, plump, and smooth when your skin is dry. It can lead to a rough, dull appearance, which is the opposite of what we're aiming for with glass skin. To use moisturizer in achieving glass skin, use gentle upward motions to massage the product into your skin, paying extra attention to any dry areas. Choose a lightweight, non-greasy formula that won't clog your pores. You can look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides, which help to attract and retain moisture in your skin. Sunscreen is a must to protect the skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause damage and premature aging. In addition, excessive sun exposure can also lead to dark spots, an uneven skin tone, which can detract from the overall glass skin look. Therefore, it is recommended to apply sunscreen as the last step in your morning skincare routine before going exfoliation 3 times a week. Exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, smoother complexion. However, it's essential not to overdo it. Limit your exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week. Generally, a chemical exfoliant like AHAs or BAs is recommended over scrubs. Physical scrubs can be too abrasive and cause micro tears in the skin, leading to irritation, inflammation, and even more breakouts. AHAs and BOS, on the other hand, work by dissolving dead skin cells and unclogging pores without causing physical damage to the skin. Commercial products will generally produce a more noticeable result. Is it really effective? While the multi-step Korean skincare routine has its benefits, simplifying it to 3 steps can still be effective for those who are short on time or new to skincare. Each of the steps in this routine is designed to offer maximal impact, targeting crucial aspects of skincare cleaning, treating and hydrating or protecting It's important to note that while skincare is important in achieving glass skin, it's not the only thing that matters. You should also be adopting healthy lifestyle habits, like drinking plenty of water, getting enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet, so that you can achieve your glow from the inside out. And that's my full skincare routine. Let me know your favorite product or what step you never skip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty content. Until next time, bye.